Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and today we will see how to install the free SSL certificate, that is the Letsencrypt free SSL certificate, to your WordPress blog, which is hosted on a cPanel instance. Okay, so it's managed by cPanel. So the idea is you don't have the SSH access directly into the instance, and you cannot install any other, say, softwares or the Letsencrypt installer or something. So in that case, you will only have access to the cPanel, and you can use some plugins to install this Letsencrypt certificate. So let's see how to do that. So to do that, you need to install a plugin called, I'll show you that. So here you can see that my website is not encrypted anymore. The certificate is expired, so I'm going to install a new one. So for that purpose, you need to first install a plugin which helps us to set up the Letsencrypt SSL certificate, and the plugin is called you can see that here, yeah, SSL Zen. So I have already installed it. You can install it directly from this WordPress store. So you need to go to SSL Zen. So once it is installed, it will be here. So you can click on SSL Zen, and once SSL Zen is loaded, you can see that my certificate is expired 7 days ago, so I need to renew the certificate. So if you are setting up it for the first time, you'll have to provide your email address, and you have to click on create new certificate. So here I'm just clicking renew certificate. Everything else is the same, so you can just follow me here. So I'm clicking on renew certificate, and I'll do some details checking. So this is something I have added while setting up the SSL Zen plugin for the first time, my domain details and my email address. So that is something you need to give when you start it for the first time. So I have already given that, so I can simply click agree and next. So upon clicking the next button, it will take you to a new page where they will be provided with the necessary keys which need to be configured with the cPanel. So here you can see it is generated three kinds of certificates and keys. One is a private key, one is there's a certificate.crt file, and there's a ca-bundle.crt. So you need to copy and paste each of them into your cPanel configuration. So I copied the certificate.crt file first. So I go to cPanel main. So this is the cPanel configuration of my say my blog. So here I go to the security section, and under security section you can see this SSL TLS section. So I'll click on it, and here under the bottom of this configuration, on the bottom of the menu, you can see manage SSL sites. So I'll click on the manage SSL sites. Here you will have the option to upload all the items that you have generated using this plugin. So certificate.crt file has been already copied, so you can paste it right here, certificate.crt. So you need to select the domain here, so it's WST.space. So it is copy pasted here, and now you will have to copy this private key.pem. So you copy that again. It's not getting copied because the request is trying to resolve the SSL certificate on the backend, but we don't have SSL certificate right now, so that is why it is not getting generated. So I'll just refresh it, and then I'll try to copy it so that it'll be copied. Yeah, so I'll copy this private key.pem, and I'll paste it here. And the last one is ca-bundle, so we'll go back to ca-bundle, copy, and I'll paste it as well into this cPanel configuration. Now you can click on install certificate. So it'll take only a few seconds to install it. Yeah, it has detected domains, and I'll click OK to reload this page. So yeah, the new certificate has been installed. You can see it here for these two domains. The new certificates have been installed. So let's go back to our website and click on next. Now this might take some time for the server to totally update this on the backend and the server. So you need to press it two or three times on some gaps. At the same time, you can see that there is an error shown by the plugin failed to take a valid SSL certificate. So it might take some time. So that is what I just mentioned. So you need to try and press this next button few more times. So let's try to load this page on a incognito window. This blog on the incognito window, if it's updated. So yeah, this is not secure yet. So I have to reload it again and again to see if it is updated. It might take few minutes, so we'll try it again after a few minutes. Now you can see that it is success. So yeah, so this activation of SSL certificate is now complete. And now you can simply tick on this and click next to complete this configuration. So yeah, now you can see this message, SSL certificate successfully installed. You can try to force reload this using Ctrl F5 and see whether SSL is properly updated in the browser. Okay, so it might not be showing right now on this same browser tag. So you'll just take a new incognito tag and incognito window and load this website there. So here you can see that this certificate is updated. So you can see the connection is secure. And if you check this certificate details on the validity side, so let's click on note after. So you can see that this certificate is valid until 7/11/21. So that's it. So that's how you set up Letsencrypt free SSL certificates for your blogs that are configured using cPanel. Thanks for watching. Keep coming back.